Hello, George.
Where am I?
Make an educated guess.
Oh, there must be a mistake.
We don't make mistakes. Ever.
See, it's not my time.
Maybe we could make an arrangement.
Has to be the coffee maker, huh? I got a Porsche. You know, it's a speedster. It's black. It's convertible.
Lovely. We don't drive here.
You know, I have a house in Lake Como.
Uh-huh.
Have you ever been to Lake Como?
Yes, I am.
It's pretty, isn't it?
Beautiful.
And this house is beautiful lawn and a swimming pool. And there are people that also come with it.
Mm-hmm. We have people, too.
You wouldn't trade for anything else?
No.
Well, here, then.
Enjoy.
An espresso. What else?